In this video, we're going to go over the 4.2a, check your understanding. Does reducing screen brightness increase battery life in laptop computers? To find out, researchers obtained 30 new laptops of the same brand. They chose 15 of the computers at random and adjusted their screens to the brightest setting. The other 15 laptop screens were left at the default setting, moderate brightness. Researchers then measured how long each machine's battery lasted. Was this an observational study or an experiment? Justify your answer. So when you're answering this question, you want to look at how the researchers, if they set this up or if they were just collecting data and analyzing it, and they imposed the treatment. So this is an experiment. The treatments of brightness, they were imposed. Adjusting screen or not, that was imposed. Okay, so our next questions are about the following setting. Does eating dinner with their families improve students' academic performance? According to an NBC News article, teenagers who eat with their families at least 5 times a week are more likely to get better grades in school. This finding was based on a sample survey conducted by researchers at Columbia. So it's asking, what are the experimental units? So you want to think about the smallest group of individuals or like what's in which the treatment's being imposed on. So that's going to be the surveyed teenagers, although this is not an experiment. So just realize that it's not an experiment, but if it were, it would be the surveyed teenagers. This is an observational study. They didn't assign students to eat with their families or not. Should be difficult to do. As far as the explanatory and response, so the explanatory, that's what you're using to try to make the prediction. That is going to be whether or not students ate with their family, and the response variable, what was actually being measured, were their grades. Measured and compared. Number 5, explain clearly why such a study cannot establish a cause and effect relationship. Suggest a variable that may be confounded with whether families eat dinner together. We can't say that there is a cause and effect relationship because teens who eat with their parents may have something else in common that affects their grades. It could be a healthy diet. It could be parent support. It could be more free time. So all those things could be confounding variables. All right, thanks.